Hello students, find here 6 case-based questions from chapters Biomolecules and Cell Cycle and Cell Division. This is number 1 case where molecular structure of 3 amino acids are given and you have to answer part A, B and C of the question. These are the answers of all 3 parts. Here A is glycine, B alanine and C is serine amino acid. For their identification, you have to check R group. Case number 2. Here you have to study the graph given showing the effect of substrate concentration on the rate of enzymatic activity and then answer part A, B, C and D of the question. Here in graph, A represents Km value, B represents half of Vmax or half of maximum velocity and C point represents Vmax or maximum velocity of reaction. Find here answers of part C and part D of the question. Next case-based question number 3. Read the paragraph giving information about physical change and chemical change in chemical compounds and answer part A, B, C and part D. Check the answer of all parts, part A and part B, then part C and part D. Next question, question number 4. Here, diagrammatic representation of cell cycle is given during mitosis and you have to answer part A, B and C and also part D and E of the question. This diagram is representing 2 phases of cell cycle. First phase, interphase, which includes G1, S and G2 phase and second phase, M phase. Remember, DNA replication takes place in S phase of interphase. So, amount of DNA gets doubled in S phase while number of chromosomes remains same. Also note, mitosis is an equational division. Question number 5. This question is based on given diagram. This diagram is showing pro-metaphase stage of mitosis and then you have to answer part A, B and C of the question. These are the answers of part A and part B and this is the answer of part C. Important point to note in this is this diagram is showing pro-metaphase stage, that is a stage between prophase and metaphase in animal cell. As you can see, centrioles at 2 poles which are present in animal cell and not in plant cell. Finally, question number 6. Here 2 stages of cell divisions are shown and based on these 2 stages you have to answer part A, B and C of the question. Here A is anaphase of mitosis where centromere divides and 2 chromatids get separated. 2 chromatids of a chromosome get separated and these 2 separated chromatids now move to opposite poles. While in B, it is also anaphase stage but it is anaphase 1 of meiosis 1 where centromeres have not divided and homologous chromosomes get separated and move to opposite poles. So, that's all for today. Thank you very much for staying with me. Subscribe the channel to get the information about my new video. Thank you so much.